Hello, Kevin Stevenson here with getmethegeek.com. Today I want to bring to you a little tip about sending large files. Have you ever been at work and you need to send a large file to another company, or been home or you need to send some large files to friends and family, and only to find out that you've reached the 25 meg limit on Gmail, or however big your email provider's limit on sending files is, only to have to break it up or find some other way to send it? Well, I have a solution for you. It's called Send Firefox. Firefox has created this free program website for you to privately send files. They are end-to-end encrypted and they expire, and you can set passwords to them. So basically, with the account, you can upload 1 gig up to a 1 gig file without even logging into Firefox. Now, if you log in, sign up with using a Firefox account, you can send up to 2.5 gigs of file. Just to put that a little bit in perspective, Gmail's limit is, I think, 25 megs versus the 2.5 gigs file. So that's 100 times larger file. So that's pretty big. This operation, what I'm going to do is I have a zip file that has the Raspbian operating system for the Raspberry Pi that I'm going to create a link. Basically, you just open your File Explorer, you go over there and you click and you drag it onto the canvas. So that's a 350 meg file. I can add more files. I can set the expiration and number of downloads. It goes all the way up to 100. Or I can set the expiration timer on it. So you have 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 7 days, so on and so forth. Password protect. Here we go. And we're going to set it for 1 download, 1 day with password, and click upload. It's as simple as that. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time to upload that file to their servers. Depends on your internet connection, your upload, and a bunch of other stuff. So basically, we'll just watch this progress bar. I'll speed up the video so that you don't have to watch it as slowly as I do. Okay, now it's done. What you get is the screen changes to this. Your file's encrypted and ready to send. Copy the link and share your file. Here it is. So basically all you need to do is you can go in here and select that and copy, or you can just click copy link as soon as that file is downloaded. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up an incognito browser, and I'm going to paste that link, click it and go. And then so it comes to the Firefox, and then you put in the password, and unlocks it. And then it's going to be like, your browser might have trouble decrypting this large file. No problem. You can try another browser. You can continue with try your favorite browser, and so on and so forth. Continue. It should be just fine if you have the latest version of any browser, and then it's going to download it. So I'm going to let this download and speed up the video again. Okay, now it's completed, and you'll get a pop-up to save your file. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Save file. So you will see that file is saved. All right. Then you can unzip the file and do whatever you wish with it. That's all I have to say today. This is Kevin Stevenson with getmethegeek.com. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell to so you get notifications. You can check us out on Facebook. That's fb.me/PhasedLogix, or follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/getmethegeek, or you can just simply search for us on YouTube, typing in Get Me the Geek. That should get you to us. Thank you again. Comment below if you'd like to see more of these things or anything else. Thank you for joining us.